Welcome back to Shop Saturday, where we find some time to actually do some things in the shop. We've had this vise since last Christmas, and we finally got around to installing it. It's been something I've really looked forward to. Got it as a Christmas present last year, and we finally got around to buying the bolts to install it. And we're going to finally install the vise. So this is one thing that I find that's very useful in the shop, as it can help you save money and do things that you normally would have to pay someone else for. The biggest thing that I wanted it for was to sharpen my lawnmower blades and to sharpen our chainsaw. If you watch our family vlog channel, you know that we've been cutting a lot of firewood so that we can hopefully sell some campfire wood next summer. But if you use a chainsaw, you know that after a little bit, the chain gets dull and you need to sharpen it. And the easiest way to sharpen it yourself is to use a vise to hold the chainsaw. Also, we cut our own grass, and the lawn looks the best when you have sharp mower blades. So this is how we plan on sharpening it. Even though this is my first time, I'm sure after a little bit of practice, it'll get a lot easier. But this also saves me from having to buy blades, and then this will also make each chain last a little longer. Another thing I decided to do is to refinish our bamboo cutting boards. They were starting to look pretty rough. Shelly said she didn't really want new cutting boards, and as you know, if you've been watching our channel, we've started to try to invest some money. So the number one way to find extra money to invest is to be happy with what you have, also to make what you have last longer. Apparently, according to this bottle, you're supposed to be doing this once a week for the first month you have it, and then you're supposed to apply this stuff every once a month. So Shelly's had these cutting boards for about 10 or 15 years, so we're going to apply the first coat now. Maybe we'll make some update videos on the next couple coats, but just so you know, we did decide to sand these down prior to doing this, and they actually turned out really well. It took a little while to get the board fully saturated with all this stuff, but if you need some of this, you can do this to your wood tool, or not your wood tools. I mean, you could do it with your wood tools, but you're supposed to put it on like your wood utensils, your wood cutting boards. We make cedar wood scrapers, so we use this stuff to seal that up. If you want to see the video where we show you how to make a wood cedar grill scraper, check out the links below, or the link at the top of the screen, or at the end of the video. But this is very important, I guess, so that it keeps the wood sealed so it doesn't crack. As you can see, there is a crack by the handle, but it just makes it look, it basically makes it look brand new. I mean, as you can see from one side to the other, even though it's wet, even once it dries out, it still looks a lot better than the unfinished, untreated parts. So here you can see one cutting board that's not finished and one that's been refinished, and you can obviously tell the difference. Also, we decided to finish staining this table that we've had. We've had the table and the stain for a couple years now. So it's just good to know that we finally got a couple things accomplished. Hopefully we'll get a few more shop videos up. Hope you guys have been enjoying the investing videos. I got some big surprises coming up for the investing videos at the end of the year. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave us a like. Thanks for watching.